Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kevin, and today's video is all about if you're over 40 and you want to start a YouTube channel, why you should start a YouTube channel today, and why you should not delay anymore. Did you know that as of 2024, a significant portion of YouTube's audience consists of viewers over the age of 40? Specifically, around 33% of YouTubers are aged 40 and above, making it a substantial demographic on the platform. This age group is increasingly engaging with the content that resonates with their interests and experiences, particularly in areas of DIY, travel, nostalgia, and news. When it comes to content creators, it's interesting to note that the average age of a YouTube content creator is age 40 years old. Despite the common perception that YouTube is dominated by younger creators, there is a growing number of creators age 40 and above. In fact, approximately 42% of content creators globally fall into this age range, highlighting that many people in their 40s and beyond are not only watching content, but actively contributing to it. So if you are over the age of 40 and you're watching this video right now, please comment in the comment section below. Let me know where you're from and what age you are. With that being said, the data shows that there's a significant opportunity for those who are over 40 who start a YouTube channel, both in terms of reaching a large audience, an engaging audience, and joining a vibrant community of creators in the similar age group. Yep, you heard it from me first. Whether you're 40, whether you're 50, or whether you're 60, it's never too late to start sharing your voice with the world. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why you should hit that record button and start your YouTube journey today. Let's get into it. Why age is an advantage. First off, let's talk about why being over 40 is actually an advantage here on YouTube. Think about it. You have a wealth of knowledge, experience that younger creators just don't have yet. Whether it's a career knowledge, life lessons, or simply the perspective that comes with age, you've got something unique to offer. Whether it's career knowledge, life lessons, or simply the perspective that comes with age, you've got something unique to offer. And guess what? There are millions of people out there looking for exactly that. Someone who can share wisdom, insight, and experiences that resonate on a deeper level. Your age also lends authority and credibility. When you speak about a specific topic you've lived through, whether it's parenting, finance, travel, or health, people are more likely to trust your advice, right? So this credibility is huge asset, especially on a platform where trust and authenticity are key. And let's not forget about relatability. There's a whole audience of mature viewers who feel more connected to someone in their age group. Let's be real, right? They're looking for content that speaks to their experiences and their interests, and that's where you come in. You can create a community around your shared life stages, and that's something that's truly special. Building a niche audience. Now let's talk about building a niche audience. This is where your age and your experience really shine. One of the most important aspects of growing a successful YouTube channel is finding your niche, something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. For many people over 40, this comes naturally. You've had many years to develop your interests and your skills, so why not share them? Whether it's cooking, DIY projects, or financial advice, or even travel, there's a niche out there waiting for you. The key is to start with what you know and what you love to do. Whether you're passionate about your content, it shows, and that's what attracts the viewers. And remember, you don't need millions of subscribers to be successful. A dedicated, engaged audience in your niche is far more valuable than having a million subscribers. who aren't involved or engaged with your content, you know? Plus, older creators have a unique opportunity to fill gaps in the market. There are so many niches where mature voices are underappreciated or underrepresented. By stepping into these spaces, you can build a loyal community of viewers who appreciate your perspective and trust your insights. Overcoming common myths. All right, let's tackle some common myths that might be holding you back, right? First up, it's too late to start. Let me tell you, it's never too late to start something new. In fact, starting a new YouTube channel later in life can be incredibly rewarding. Some of the most successful YouTube creators out there right now started in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. Honestly, age isn't a barrier, it's an asset. Next myth, YouTube is for the young people. This couldn't be further from the truth. YouTube is a platform for everyone, and the diversity of creators is what makes it so powerful, right? There's a growing demand for content creators who are mature creators who offer different perspectives. So don't let age hold you back. Embrace it. Seriously, embrace it. And finally, I'm not tech savvy enough. Trust me. You don't need to be a super techie or a super tech genius to start a YouTube channel. With today's technology, creating and editing videos has never been easier. There are countless tutorials, free software, and communities out there that will help you and get you started along the way. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. You have to start. You have to start. Start where you are and you will learn as you go. Trust me, it's not that difficult to just watch YouTube videos and learn as you go. That's what I did. All right, so before we continue, I just wanted to take a quick moment and say thank you guys for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. I'm trying to grow this community. Let's get back to the content. Potential benefits. All right, so let's dive into the benefits of starting a YouTube channel at 40. First up, personal fulfillment. There's something incredibly satisfying about creating content that reflects your passions and your interests. It's a creative outlet that allows you to express yourself, share your knowledge, and connect with others who share your interests. Whether it's through storytelling, teaching, or simply just sharing your life experiences, YouTube gives you a platform to do just that. Another big benefit is the potential for monetization. Yes, you can make money on YouTube even if you're just starting out. From ad revenue to sponsorships to affiliate marketing and even selling your own products, whether it's digital products or an actual physical product, there are multiple ways to generate income here on this platform. And the best part, you don't need millions of subscribers to start making money, right? That's cool, right? So a smaller engaged audience is again better than millions of people who aren't engaged, you know? And let's not forget about the opportunities that come from building your own channel on YouTube. Networking with other creators, collaborating on projects with each other, or even getting invited to special events are all possible with building a YouTube channel. How crazy is that, right? Plus, you never know who your channel is going to come across, right? Plus, you never know where your channel might take you. New opportunities, speaking engagements, or even starting your own business could be on the horizon. Tips for starting your channel. All right, so now that we've talked about the benefits of starting a YouTube channel, let's get into some practical tips for starting your channel. First off, start with what you have, right? You don't need fancy equipment to get started. You just use your smartphone, natural lighting, and some free editing software is all you really need, honestly. As your channel grows, you get more engagement, you can gradually invest in some better equipment, but don't let the lack of gear stop you from starting today. Seriously, you need to start now. Consistency is key. One of the most important things you can do when starting a YouTube channel is upload regularly. Whether it's once a week or once a month, sticking to a schedule helps build build an audience and shares your commitment to your channel. And lastly, be open to learning and adapting when you start your channel. The YouTube landscape is constantly evolving, and what is good today or what works today might not work tomorrow. Yeah, so keep an eye on trends, listen to your audience, and be willing to try new things like this video. Whether it's improving your video quality, experimenting with new content formats, or learning from your analytics, staying flexible will help you grow your channel. Also, I'll give you a little bonus tip: script writing. Make sure you write your scripts. Even if it's cringe that you are looking at the screen and you're trying to read and look at the camera, it's better than not knowing what to say at all. So that's just a little nugget. So don't worry, you'll get better every video when you are scripting, right? Don't be afraid. Just get what you need to say out and just put in the reps. Simple as that. Encouragement and motivation. Starting a YouTube channel at any age can be intimidating, but I'm here to tell you that it's all absolutely worth it, especially if you're over 40. You have so much to offer. Trust me. Don't be nervous. And there's an audience for you out there ready and waiting to connect with you. I promise you. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Seriously. Hit record. You've got the experiences, the wisdom, the passion. Now it's time for you to share that with the world. And remember, it's never too late to start something new. Every great journey begins with a single step, and your YouTube journey is no different. Just like I had to do, start with 1 subscriber and keep it moving, right? So take the first step, hit that record button, and really start creating content that you love and that you're interested in, right? Again, there's someone out there for you. And there's billions of people in this world. So don't be nervous. Just do it. All right. To wrap things up, I just wanted to tell you guys, thank you for watching and for being a part of this incredible and amazing community. Starting a YouTube channel after 40 is one of the best decisions you can make and that I made. And I'm really excited to see where your journey starts and takes you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up on your way out. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button for me. I would love to hear your thoughts about this video, and if you've started a YouTube channel, or if you have already, how's it going? Or if you just want to share your experiences. Let's keep the conversation going. See you guys on the next one.